also wanted to do one more quick video. It's more of a product celebration than anything else. And basically this is a thank you. One of my viewers saw my video, my Animated Angels intro, and they actually told me, or I actually stated on there that I needed a hooded dryer in order to do some of the wet sets that require a long time to dry, especially since I am not the one who does them myself. I wouldn't be doing them on myself, I'd be doing them on clients or other people, and so therefore in order to prevent them from having to wait all day, I would really need a hooded dryer. And so I was kind of in the market for one, whatever. But anyway, this person actually sent me as a gift this hooded dryer, and it's amazing. It's a Babyliss. It's called a Babyliss Thermal Ionic, and it is adjustable. It adjusts to any height. You basically can adjust it to any height, you know, up, down, whatever. And see? And it's a hooded dryer, just typical. I'm sorry about the skipping. My camera is, I don't know if it's just dying or what. But anyway, I'm really amazed by it. It's a fantastic product. And it actually, it heats really evenly. I have tested it out just very, just kind of basically tested it out. And it has 3 settings just like any other hair dryer. It's amazing. I appreciate it so much, and I'm so anxious to get to using it, and so now I really have no excuse not to do finger waves. So I will be doing those eventually, but I just wanted to say thank you so much and to kind of show you this product. Babyliss items are usually very, very good quality, and because it rolls around, you can just tuck it into a corner. It doesn't have to be sitting on a stationary platform or anything like that. So I just wanted to say thank you to Salon to Jonathan. I don't know if you had employees that went in with you on this gift or if this was just entirely from you, but I really truly appreciate it, and I will put it to use. So thank you, and I am excited. Bye.
Okay, I took my hair out of the plop, and now to get my part right and to let my curls dry evenly, I'll just shake my hair out into a natural part. And I just sit under this hard hat hood dryer for like 10 or 15 minutes till the top's dry. And then I do not ever touch my hair when it's drying. That's a no-no. You're going to have frizz. Don't do that. And to get the tips dry, since my hair is so long, and literally it would take me like 30 to 45 minutes to blow dry my hair straight or diffuse it. Well, diffusing took less time because you don't do it till it's all the way done. You do it till it's like 90%, 80 or 90% dry, or else it'll start to frizz and it's just unnecessary. So I got this one for my birthday for like $120 on Follica with a 25% off coupon. But I got my mom one for Christmas from Sally's, and it was on sale with a coupon for like $74, which is really good. But yeah, I just relax here and then clip up the sides or pineapple to get the tips done. It takes me like 15 or 20 minutes for everything. For my hair, that's like crazy good because my hair is so long and thick. It's exhausting. So that's why I do those now. But I'll show you what I do when I get to that part.